Good morning, Raghu. Thank you very much for attending Speedstar Grand Finale. Thank you very much. I have a couple of questions to ask you. The first one is, Raghu, if you can just briefly describe your association with Koo Sports and our recent partnerships and how we went about doing that and what was our basic rationale and some highlights of the whole process.
Firstly, Chirag, thank you so much for inviting me here, and congratulations on putting up such a fantastic show. I think it's really seeing the young kids and the enthusiasm around. I can and especially since it's just the first season, I can very confidently say that this is only going to grow from strength to strength.
Thank you.
Over the last 6 months, I think ever since we guys have partnered with Koo, it's been one of those, very encouraging partnerships we have come across. And this is primarily because, the partnership with Koo ticked off one of the very, very important boxes that we had set a target for ourselves, which was to setting up of cricket academies. And you can imagine that we've been in this business for the past 6 years. Rajasthan Royals, there have been n number of people coming to us and pitching for this. We were just looking for the right partner. And when Koo and when you and Susir and Prabhu and the rest of the team came to us, we did realize that these were the right partners because we knew that they are not doing this for any frivolous intent, that there is serious intent behind this whole thing, that they are willing to put money behind this event. It is not a short-term thing; it's a completely long-term thing. And to add to that, we also, when we realized that Koo has the backing of large corporates like TCS and HDFC, who incidentally are our partners as well, we thought this is the partnership that we should sign on. And I must say, over the last 6 months, there has been tremendous amount of work that your team has put in, and hopefully we'll be launching our first academy very soon.
Thank you very much, Raghu. That's kind words. We have all worked very hard to make this happen, and we really appreciate your support all the way through. My next question to you is on Speedstar, which is the hunt for the fastest, youngest Indian here in India. This is the first time the private sector has done it, the first time Koo Sports has done an event as big as this. I just wanted to get your thoughts on what you see here and what we've done and achieved. And given that you have a phenomenal track record in the sports industry, your expert opinion and inputs will be highly appreciated.
So, like I told you, Chirag, I thought as soon as I came in, the atmosphere here was so energetic that I just thought that, wow, what is this event going on? And then to watch kids on a fantastic track like this and just give it their all, running the 100 meters was a fantastic sight. And I'm very eagerly looking forward to seeing the finals here also. But like I told you earlier, I just want to congratulate you and your entire team to have put up such a fantastic show. And it's great that corporates like you are coming forward and investing time, money, and effort into a simple sport like athletics, which all of us do believe that India does have tremendous potential in. And it was also heartwarming to see one of the Indians athletics legends, PT Usha, being your brand ambassador and giving her strategic inputs into all of this. So I think it's just a phenomenal initiative, and with all the effort and the minds that are behind this event, it is only going to grow from strength to strength.
Yeah, thank you. And I think it's for our audience and for Koo Sports employees in particular, it's evident that when we have Raghuwa talking about cricket, but he's also got a broader view on all the other aspects of the sports as well. And I think that explains why we were very keen to work with Rajasthan Royals so that we can comprehensively cover the entire sports landscape in India. Thank you very much.